got Mr. Ernie Scale right here. Andy. I'm a crazy son of a gun. I'm going to shut my head on it. But I got to get his damn steak. Take a quick steak in the damn LED. Time to go. Easy, Poppy. Take it slow down and put it in the sun for a little bit, right there. Yeah. No, take it to the sun. Right there, right there, right there. Right there, it'll look better right there. There you go. My butt, bro. You're gonna come up there. There you go. That's it, that's it. Oh, yeah, that's a beautiful takeout right there. Junior, you better stop the cars because we're filming mass over here now. Oh, hell. Oh, time to go. Okay, that's good. Oh, you did good. That's what's up. That'll be funny, though. Time to go. Car coming. Oh, yeah, I can see it better right there on this. Put some little dolls doing like this, look. Somebody hanging in the skits, ain't it? That's what's up, right, Eunice? Hey, how you call that? Extend that load. Hell yeah, right there. All right, put it down, bro. Oh, that's what's up. That's my buddy Ernest right there. That's what's up. Almost cut my head off his eye. Hell yeah, man.